Hi, I'm Abhilash. I represent the Kerala Ayurvedic group. We are a 115-year-old Ayurveda group that's been based out of Kerala. We started in 1908. I represent the fourth generation. We have Ayurveda centers, Ayurveda retreats, Ayurvedic products and training centers across the world. Now in 11 countries with 40 locations. Our main retreat is in Kerala. It's Asia's best by World Travel Award and top 10 in Asia as well and top 50 in the world. It specializes in niche tourism. We only do one thing and one thing very well, Ayurvedic treatments. That's holistically treating a person through the natural Indian medicine of Ayurveda and yoga. And we welcome everyone from Poland to come and visit us and try out the Ayurvedic treatments. So if you have any issues like skin problems, back problems, knee problems, we can take care. Our retreats are all-inclusive retreat. It's on organic plantation, so the food is customized and the treatments are customized as per each person, and it's fresh and taken from the fields every day. It's a no smoking, no alcohol, pure vegetarian retreat. So we welcome you to try something new in India. Thank you.